Hey, this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. Today we're going to talk about a few ease of access utilities in this How to PC series. This is going to be things like the Narrator, the Magnifier, and the high contrast mode, I believe. So we're going to start off by going to the Start menu down here and clicking on Settings. Under Settings, you'll see there's an Ease of Access selection. Select Ease of Access. Once you have Ease of Access selected, you can see there's a few options here. So if we turn on Narrator,
starting Narrator,
the guy's going to start
settings,
talking to us.
On, Narrator, toggle
And as you
switch
click on
settings,
things,
magnifier,
he's going
2
to
of
tell
set
you.
color and high contrast, 3 of Narrator,
Okay,
exiting Narrator.
So you can see that he's going to go ahead and tell you everything that you're clicking on. So this is good for someone that maybe has difficulty seeing, but they can tell where a few of the things are here, just maybe can't read some of the text. So Narrator has some good functionality. You have some slight adjustments on it on how fast it's the individual talks, different voice selections if you maybe want a lady to tell you that, or they have a few different male voices as well. The pitch of the voice can change. Several other, again, characteristics here that someone might want to adjust if they really started using Narrator. You can have Narrator start automatically if you need it, maybe even to log into the computer if it would be beneficial to you. You can select both of these to be on. Next, we'll go to the Magnifier. Magnifier, let's turn this on, puts this little icon or this little window on your screen and lets you zoom in, and it will follow your mouse. Mine is kind of being slow when I go to do that, but it will follow your mouse. Most likely yours will be a little bit smoother than that, and it could really help someone that maybe has trouble seeing, but Narrator is not a good option either. Maybe if the individual can't hear very well either, at least you can use this to zoom in and out on things, and you can kind of leave it over to the side, and you don't have to use it magnified all the time, but at least it's there if you need it. You can also, again, have it start right after sign in, so it won't automatically start up right there. So you can actually start it up right here automatically before login for all users. So you actually do have that option. I'm not sure why they don't just make it consistent with the other one and put it right up here underneath it, but they don't. Okay, so let's exit out of Magnifier. Let's look at the high contrast mode. So it has a few different options in high contrast. If you want just a grayscale, grayscale inverted, or several other options here that I'm not sure who they might benefit, but I'm sure that they do have them there for a reason. This one, of course, looks the craziest if we were going to do the inverted high contrast. Man, it really does make a difference. So, for someone that needs a high contrast, you talk about different, that sure makes a difference. So, there's a few different ease of access options that are already built into Windows 10, and probably a couple of the other Windows versions I know has that as well, probably all the way back to Windows 7. So, this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. We'll see you again in the next video.